Good morning, students. Today, in this module, we'll continue our next topic, that is conjunction. In this slide, in this module, we'll discuss about what is conjunction first. And in our next slides, in our next modules, that is our next second module, we'll be discussing about 4 types of conjunction and punctuation rules. So first, let us start with what is conjunction. What is conjunction? Conjunction is a word that connects parts of the sentences. It can connect phrases or even clause. That means if a sentence, how a sentence is connected to each other with a word, that word is called conjunction. Like and, either, or, nor, neither nor. All these words are conjunctions. See examples given over here. When you go to London, you must try fish and chips. So over here, when you go to London is given a comma over there, and you must try fish and chips. Over here, fish and chips are words, and is the connecting word. Did you get it? So and is the conjunction over here. In the next sentence, my cell phone is either on the table or in the drawer. So over here, on the table, in the drawer is the phrases. So either or is conjunction. Next sentence, Arnab went to see his manager. Arnab went to see his manager, comma, but he wasn't in his office. Over here, Arnab went to see his manager is a clause. He wasn't in his office is a clause again. But this both clauses are joined by but over here. So, did you get it? What is conjunction? Everyone get it? What is conjunction? Just go through the sentence once again. You will understand what is conjunction. And conjunction is just the word that connects part of the sentence, clause or phrases. Okay. So let us see the types of conjunction. First, we'll just deal with coordinating conjunctions. There are 4 types of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions, conjugative adverbs. So, let us see what is coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions is a punctuation and, or, but, so, yet, for, nor. All these are coordinating conjunctions. In each sentence below, add commas wherever necessary. So over here, you have to add commas wherever it is necessary in the sentence. So the rule 1 is only 2 words or phrases. If there is only 2 words or phrases, you will not put any comma. There is no need to put a comma. So these 2 sentences are an example of this rule. That is, Rohan's house is beautiful and spacious. Second, does Alsha work in a library or a restaurant? So over here, because and spacious is a word, and is connecting the sentence. So and is the coordinating conjunction. Next, does Alsha work in a library or a restaurant? Over here, it's a phrases. A library, a restaurant. Do you get it? Or is connecting the sentence again. So rule 2 says if there are more than 2 items in a sentence, you have to put a comma after each item except the last one. Remember, except the last one. So for example, item 1, comma, item 2, comma, item 3, comma, then you will put conjunction and or, and then you will write item 4 over there. Did you get it? Let's see in the sentence example. We need to buy sugar, comma, butter, comma, flour, comma, and vanilla extract. So after flour, comma, and is written, and after and no comma is there. So there should be no comma after the conjunction. vanilla extract for the kick. So next sentence is, I am still trying to decide whether to learn guitar, piano or violin. So over here, guitar, comma, piano, comma or violin is written. Did you get it? What is coordinating conjunction? So let us see the next rule, that is rule 3, independent clause. In independent clause are but, and, or, so, yet are the independent clause. See the sentence, Kim wants to work in Paris, but she couldn't find a job there. So over here, Kim wants to work in the Paris is the independent clause. She couldn't find a job there is also an independent clause. What is joined over there? By this, both sentences joined by the word but. Did you get it? See the next one. We can go to the movies or we can clean the house. Over here we have given a comma after we can go to the movies, comma, or we can clean the house. Okay. Mr. Ajit made a bad investment and lost all his savings. Made a bad investment and lost all his savings is a independent clause joined by and. I ordered a t-shirt online 2 weeks ago but still haven't received it. Ordered a t-shirt online 2 weeks ago, but is joining these two clauses. Did you understood till here? These two clauses over here is joined by coordinating conjunctions, but, or, and but. So these are coordinating conjunctions which are joining the independent clauses. Kim want to work in Paris is an independent clause. She couldn't find a job there is an independent clause. We can go to the movies, independent clause. We can clean the house, independent clause. Mr. Ajit made a bad investment, independent clause. Lost all his savings, independent clause. I ordered a t-shirt online 2 weeks ago, independent clause. Still haven't received it is also an independent clause. And these two independent clauses are joined by conjunction, coordinating conjunctions, that is but, or, and but. I hope you have understood it here. We'll meet in the next module and we'll discuss our next types of conjunction in the next module. Go through this modules once again and recall all your things again and see where you don't know. If you have not understood anything, just let me know in the comments section. Thank you.